Top of the morning to you ladies and welcome back to another video. So now, this time I'm going to be doing a Nerf target shoot, I think. So the targets are placed near my window. Hope the light doesn't bother the recording. So there is let me just get it into view. There's a coin. There's this box. There's a charger kind of thing. There's a table tennis bat. These two are the easy ones. These are medium, and this one is hard. Like, it's gonna go level wise. I have to hit these first, then these, then the coin. I'm gonna be using my Nerf, you can call it a sniper rifle. It's just a sec. But it's actually the AccuStrike Alpha Hawk. It's just like a sniper rifle. It has a scope. No, it's not like a scope, it's like iron sights. And I am using the AccuStrike darts, because these are like laser accurate. I'm going to be using these. I have 6 of them. It does hold only 5, but I've brought 6. I'll just set the camera up and let's get on with the video. Okay guys, before I set up the camera, this is where I'm going to be standing, in this hallway, and from here the targets are pretty far away and they look tiny, so I'm going to be standing here. Just a sec. I am recording, I've told the others, and the camera is going to be placed like this here. So this is how you're going to get the view. Hope you all can see every target. The coin is like extremely tiny. I'll just point it out to you. It's extremely tiny right here. Then the box, the charger, the easy things, the table tennis racket, and the box. So you load up the gun and go to the spot. This is like it has a rotating barrel, which I really like. It's not that easy to load, but it's pretty cool. And I have this extra dart. I'm going to keep it in my pocket. I'm going to start with the easy ones. I can reload, so I have to like hit every single target. I'm going to keep quiet while aiming, so just don't think the audio's gone out. Hit that. Next. Come on. Darts are dropping. Come on. Yeah, no, that didn't hit. That didn't hit. So got the first one. It is pretty far away, so it is extremely difficult to hit the targets perfectly. Oh, I forgot I had one in my pocket. I'll change that. I'll do that. Where's the other one? There should be one more. Yeah, here it is. So I may not upload like a few videos tomorrow and day after, because I have my exams. So they're about to come to an end. So there will be daily videos coming after the day after. Yeah. Daily videos will be coming from there. I need to hit the table tennis racket. Come on. I thought these darts are laser accurate. Yeah, got it. 2 bullets left. Gonna load the 3rd bullet in. Now, because they're the harder ones. Oh, these bullets are right here. I'm just gonna pick them up. Load them in. These darts are supposed to be like laser accurate with Nerf guns. I think I'm just not that steady. Come on! Okay, I know what's going wrong. The air conditioner. Switch it off for now. Come on, this is damn hard. Just a little higher. targets. Gotta reload. That second last shot was pretty close. You gotta admit that. And this gun is very old, so the power is like extremely less, and I have to keep it like at a 45-degree angle to get it to hit that shot. This did come out like about last year. It's pretty old. I have not used it and it's getting spoiled. But this is the only sniper type looking weapon I have. And May 6th to... No. There's a surprise for you guys awaiting. I'm going to be getting gaming videos soon. I'm going to be doing gaming videos soon. Be sure to look out for that. And if you want to improve my aiming, give this video a like. And also share it. And please subscribe if you like my content. Go to bed down. Come on. I'm going for the middle one now. I almost hit the coin. Oh my god. That would be so cool. That I count that as a hit. I think I count that as a hit. It nicked it, it just like brushed it from the side, but I count that as a hit. It did, I think it did shake it a little. Okay, where are the next words? There. So guys, be sure to share this video. I've not been telling you all to share because not many people know my channel. Just share so that more people come to this channel. And subscribe for more amazing videos. I'm still trying to get into the rhythm of making good videos. There will be good videos by 2019. I love Nerf guns. Okay, now the charger and coin is left. I need the support of the wall to just steady up my shot. Come on! Line up the crosshairs. That was low power. Higher. Come on! Either I aim too low or I aim too high. Just get a perfect shot on this thing. Ran out of bullets. Gonna add the spare one in. Load it perfectly. Fuck! That was so close! Oh, I can't believe that missed. Like, this time at least they were pretty accurate except for one that hit the pillow. And they all landed like in this area. They were pretty accurate. And guys, I'm actually taking this much angle to just track the dart into this thing. It's very weak gun. I'll try to get this thing fixed. Because I want a bit more powerful one. Even my rapid strike got spoiled. It's like this amazing Nerf machine gun. It got spoiled. Battery is leaked. Gosh. Okay. Gotta hit these now. Just love the sound of the bolt retracting. Oh, come on. Oh my. I'm getting pretty accurate. Okay, don't mess up the shots. Yeah, boy! Like a boss! Yes, did not hit all the targets. Last bullet just aimed it right. And I love guns. I like. Okay, this may sound odd, but I love violence. Like guns, action movies, and all that. I love that kind of stuff. Done. 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 I'm gonna shift the coin into the center. Remove these to the side. Actually, wait. put it on like a higher platform. Just trying to make it slightly easier for myself. Come on. I love the sound of the bolt. That's the best part of the Nerf guns, that if you just paint them black, they look like perfect guns. Nah, higher up. Ah, come on, higher up. Too high. Come on. Ah, out of bullets. Got a spare bullet in my pocket. Yeah. Mostly some of them that are breech loaders in Nerf, the one you have to like breech load, are pretty weak, like the, what do you call it, Sharpfire. Pretty weak. Come on. I'm gonna do this now. This in, get this in. Yes, there. That's like revolvers, like spinning the barrel is so cool. Come on, the shot. Come on, I need more power on this gun. Yes, no. Just jam the gun. Ooh. Ah. Come on, last shot. Right there. Okay, no, there's a last shot left. This thing is hard to aim. I'll be at least like 3 feet away from this thing, more than 3 feet away. 3 feet would be easy. I'm more than like at least 6 feet away from this thing. Oh my god, just a little higher. I'm just going to count how many feet behind I am, like just using my feet. Okay. My feet, how behind? 1, 2, 3, edge, 4, 5. No, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My bed is 10 feet wide. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So maybe like 9 feet away. I'm going to subtract that. 9 feet away. And Nerf guns claim that they shoot 75 feet, which is false. Another shot. Ah. No, that wouldn't have hit. That was just pretty close. It's close now. Higher. One more shot. Oh my god, that was a quick fire. Like, if you don't know what a quick fire is, like, I loaded the thing, jammed it in. That's what a quick fire is, and it was a no scope. Like, I didn't use the sights for that. Come on. I'm gonna just move 2 steps forward for this one. I think the coin is slightly harder. Just 2 steps forward. just slightly ahead of this line. Now I gotta hit it. Still far, but much closer. One more quick fires. I hope I had a last shot here. Come on. I've got that. Right there. Oh, my shots are going pretty accurate. Just gotta aim a little higher. Guys, I'm gonna try to start doing live streams. Like, I'm gonna go live at about only in my vacations when I finish my exams. I'm gonna be going live at like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, maybe in the mornings or noon. Mostly midnight. I'm gonna be going like live, like doing 3 AM challenges and stuff. I mostly don't believe in that stuff, but do get scared sometimes. Okay, gotta hit this now. Just gotta aim higher. Come on. Not that high. Okay, come on, we'll line this up. Just shift it to the side a little bit. Ooh. Oh my god, last shot. Last shot is the best shot. Now, gotta do it like a boss. 360 no scope. You all won't be able to see this, but I'm doing a 360 no scope. 360 no scope. Then hit it. Okay, now I'm gonna give myself 2 more reloads and then see if I can hit it or I'm gonna try quick fires on these. There's one more left. I'm gonna do quick fires on these. I'm taking as much support as possible. Okay, got the quick fires over. Now, just one boss shot. I need one boss shot. Come on, as much support like a boss. Come on. Most people may be knowing where that's from, like Jacksepticeye, like a boss. Just obsessed with that. Is that 6? Yeah, that's 6. This hole's only 5, which is a bummer, but it's okay. I like the 6-barrel ones, pretty realistic. Come on, I gotta hit it now. Was there a late reaction there? It's getting annoying after a while. I can't hit it. Very difficult still. Got it! Oh my god, last time's the charm. Whew! Finally just banged that thing off. Woo! Finally hit it, guys. Completed my challenge. And one more thing. I've got rid of my how-to series. Just can't get any ideas of how to what. If you all can give any cool ideas in the comments below, I'll restart it. And I'll start uploading more of how-to videos. So till then, see you in the next video. And make sure to like. I've said that I think 3 times in this video, so I'm going to end it now.